Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing meal time. I've got 31 gifts out of all. So come on, let's open our presents. So these are this from a girl named Mariam and Moose. By the way, this is on a Canadian server. So, a pink pants, jeans, whatever, however you call it. Jeans again. Come on, let's find something interesting. So, this is loading so slow. Go, hurry up. Oh my god. Okay, this girl, she's like, respond please. I'm recording. It's the dream. Wrong time. Hurry. This is going so slow. Thanks to sorry, just really quick, I need to answer this girl's thing. Recording. So this is loading so slow. I'm so sorry. Okay. How do I look? Oh my. Mariam and Moose gave me so much of her gifts, or her clothing. Where I got? It's loading. So for now, I'll pause and I'll be back. So, gonna be the ooh, I like this shirt. So Wolf 12 gave me 2 gifts. This is still loading really slow. Sorry, real quick. Is this a rare? Tell me, is this a rare? I honestly don't know. Yeah. I think it is. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so bad on MSP. Move! Ugh. Oh my god, sorry. I'm gonna pause and come back because this girl keeps texting me. Oh! This video wait, guess how long this video has been going for. Ooh, thanks, Wolf. Go, friend, if you're on the Canadian server, or if you have a Canadian server account, go gift Wolf 12, Mariam and Moose, Kaylee, Flower 9876, and small apple, whatever, however you would say that. This girl said, okay, she's actually nice. Thanks. Ooh, thanks. That's rare. Thanks. Thanks, Kaylee. Thanks, Mom. Thanks to everyone who gifted me. I've always wanted this. Thank you. Thank you for the gifts. OMG, still more gifts from this girl. And yes, I did stop the music because it was really loud. And my mom was gonna wake up. So, yeah. But guess how long this video has been going for? If you got 6, you're correct. And you should like this video and subscribe if you like the video. So, oh my god, this is loading so slow. And at the end, we're gonna make an outfit for my account. Comment down below how good it was out of 1 to 10. So, yeah, this girl kept gifting me today. It was crazy. Do this, do that. So my friends are Justin, Small Apple, all of you, 99, Block Plays, Tops, Pink, Nicole, Royal. This is actually like right now. I'm really excited for the gifts. Ooh, thanks, Mariam and Moose. Go friend her on the Canadian server. Ariana. Let's see what she got me. She was the first person to gift me. So thank you to Ariana360. Ooh, thanks. So now what we're going to be doing is gifting people, going to the chat rooms. Oh my god, my outfit right now is... I can't even look at it. Oh my god, it doesn't match. Nothing matches. Nothing. But thanks for everyone that gifted me. And yes. Thanks for everyone that gifted me. And for everyone that gifted me, you guys should go gift them. I mean, not gift them. Yes, you could gift them, but you guys should go friend them. Okay, so right now I'm going to take off all my clothes. Okay, right now. Now I'm going to make an outfit. Why is it so hard to take off? Okay, that wasn't actually that hard. Okay, come on, let's make an outfit. So, first thing we need to make an outfit. What should I use? Should I make like a Billy look? Like a Billy look? Should I? I actually want to use some of the gifts that you Bills, gave me. So, I'm not going to do the Billy look. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this on. Thank you for the person that gifted me this. I forgot who it was. I think it was Wolf12. I don't know. What? I'm just going to say never... Oops. I'm just going to say never mind. And now, time for this. Ooh, which should I use? This is actually very hard. Ooh. There's spoiled. Yeah, I'm using only the gifts that you guys gave me. So then, I'm just gonna go over here. Cookies. Wait, no. Did anyone even give me? Oh yeah, this is something that someone gifted me. I'm gonna wear that. And then I'm gonna go look for something else. No one? Oh yeah. I kinda don't want to use it for now. I'm not saying I don't like it. Thank you for whoever got me it. I'm grateful. But let's do another look. And next video we're gonna do for stuff that the people gifted me. I kind of like this. How about this? This. By the way, just to say my VIP ends today. I had 1 month VIP. Star VIP. And now I'm actually going to cry because it's going to end. I feel like when I leave MSP just right now, it's going to end. I feel like I'm not leaving MSP until 12. Ooh. How? So, yep. I'm just gonna look for an outfit. Yeah, I'm gonna make a Billy look. I'm gonna take this off. That off. There. Go with this. And also, a shirt to top it off. Of course. Who does not wear a shirt? Okay, whatever. So, I don't know what shirt I should use. I just use this and then that. Yeah. Okay, now for the jeans, we all know Billy, she'll wear, out of all my stuff that I have, this. And then over here, for the jeans, I'll be using, not that, this. Yes. And then accessories. And then rate this outfit out of 1 to 10. Eep. So right now, here you go. Here you go. Now, I'm still looking for something to wear. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear this. Yep. And then I'm gonna go right over here. Press OK. And then now that's done with this video. It's time to say bye, Bills. And also, if you liked this video, don't forget to I can't even talk right now. To smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you liked the video. If you did not, at least you could share it to people or watch some of my other videos. That would really help. So, bye, Bills.